According to WHO, surgical site infections threaten the lives of millions of patients each year and contribute significantly to morbidity and mortality worldwide. Standardized prevention protocols can reduce surgical site infection risks by up to 60%. Introducing the India's first CHG applicator, clinically proven protection, globally aligned, locally innovated by Surgeine Healthcare, engineered for precision preoperative skin preparation. This sterile single-use device is designed for rapid, no-touch skin disinfection. Prep in 5 simple steps: peel, pick, pull, push, and prep. Smart, safe, and efficient by design. Color-coded for safer use. Intuitive color cues on the center of applicators allow quick identification of sizes, reducing selection errors and improving clinical workflow. Controlled flow system. Gravity-assisted internal design provides consistent solution delivery without dripping or splashing, ensuring clean and efficient skin. Uniform distribution, no dripping or pooling. Engineered to deliver antiseptic evenly, with no dripping or waste, ensuring safe, complete skin prep. Non-slip grip. Textured barrel ensures secure, stable handling, especially important in gloved or high-pressure surgical environments. Minimal residual waste. Optimized internal channeling ensures maximum usage of the antiseptic solution, minimizing waste and cost. Transparent, impact-resistant barrel. Durable, medical-grade plastic offers clear visibility of solution levels and structural integrity during handling and transport. From immediate antisepsis to prolonged antimicrobial protection. Formulated with 2% chlorhexidine gluconate and 70% isopropyl alcohol, delivers rapid, broad-spectrum antimicrobial activity at the time of application. Provides a persistent residual effect, helping to suppress microbial regrowth on the skin over time. Fast-drying formulation. Unlike povidone iodine-based preparations, which typically require 8 to 10 minutes to dry, CHG alcohol solutions dry in approximately 30 seconds, enabling faster procedural readiness. Sustained skin protection. Chlorhexidine binds to the skin, delivering ongoing antimicrobial protection beyond initial antisepsis. DispoPrep CHG Applicator delivers proven, rapid, and sustained antimicrobial protection against a wide spectrum of microorganisms. Rapid action. Starts killing microbes within 30 seconds on dry skin. Broad-spectrum efficacy. Effectively eliminates gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, yeasts, and resistant pathogens, including MRSA. Antimicrobial protection. The formulation provides up to 96 hours of microbial suppression, ensuring prolonged patient safety. Fully aligned with global guidelines from the CDC, WHO, and AORN. DispoPrep CHG applicators are clinically validated tools for infection prevention, proven to reduce surgical site infections and catheter-related bloodstream infections through in vitro and human trials. DispoPrep CHG Applicator, available in 3 sizes for precise, reliable skin antisepsis. 5.5 milliliters, 10.5 milliliters, 26 milliliters. At Surgeine Healthcare, we are dedicated to enhancing surgical safety and efficiency. From India, we provide reliable solutions to healthcare professionals around the world because we have your back. We are your partner, making healthcare more human and caring, one day at a time. All Surgeine solutions are fully aligned with Global Health Authority guidelines. Surgeine Healthcare. Safety at every step, excellence in every procedure.